case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1893, the New York Supreme Court general term presided over the case of Dinan v. Coneys. This contentious case revolved around whether an individual could inherit land if another party held a legitimate interest in the property. It all began when Daniel R. Dinan inherited a piece of real estate in Rockland County from his father, which he later devised to his son, the plaintiff. However, since the father's death in 1883, William and Hannah Coneys had occupied the land. Dinan filed a lawsuit to reclaim the land, while Hannah Coneys claimed that she was entitled to a payment of $300, which Dinan never made. Meanwhile, William Coneys contended that he had made repairs on the property at Dinan's behest. Ultimately, the lower court sided with Dinan and ordered that he regain possession of the land. However, they also ruled that Coneys was entitled to the $300 for repairs. Despite this decision, the court failed to appoint a referee to oversee the sale of the land, distribute the payment for the bequest, and allocate the remainder of the funds to Dinan. Recognizing this oversight, the appeals court ruled in favor of Coneys' right to the bequest and ordered Dinan to pay the $300 for the property's repairs. To remedy the previous ruling, a referee was appointed to supervise the sale of the land, ensuring that the remaining balance would be awarded to Dinan following the payment.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.